video we saw the stochastic approximation to a gradient descent. Now in this slide we will see a gradient descent algorithm with a stochastic approximation. So we know that in a gradient descent algorithm, first we are going to consider the input, that is an x vector. So this x vector that is present here, it is going to indicate a vector of an input values, and t here it indicates a target output. So this input vector and the target output, it is represented in the form of a pair. So that is done here. So this x vector and t, it is going to indicate in the form of a pair. Next step in an algorithm is initialize each wi to some random value. We know that in a gradient descent, we are going to initialize wi, that is a weight, to some random value. Until the termination condition is met, initialize delta wi to a 0 value. So what I told in the previous video, so wi plus delta wi we have. So initially we have to keep this delta wi. Initially we have to keep this delta wi to 0 value, and wi we are going to take some random value. So the same thing is being explained here. So initialize the until the termination condition is met, initialize delta wi to 0. Now for each pair, that is input vector and an output pair, in a training example, do input the instance xi to a unit and compute the output. So how we are computing the output here? So first we have considered the random value of a wi, and delta wi, it has been assigned to 0. So here we are performing the computation as x1 or xi multiplied with wi. Now xi multiplied with wi, everything it has been summed together in order to get the net value. The same thing it has been explained here. For each input vector comma the output, in a training example, do input the instance, that is an x vector, to the unit and compute the output. How we are computing the output? So this is our final output. So these are the processing steps, that is a summation, activation function, along with the bias here, we are going to get the output. So all these processing steps, it has been performed in order to get the output. Next is, for each linear unit weight wi, do see here the wi formula. Here it is wi, it is equals to wi plus, this is a formula for delta wi. So what is the delta wi formula in a stochastic approximation? So if I consider just the gradient descent, the delta wi formula would be this. But since I have applied a stochastic gradient descent algorithm, so the delta wi formula will be eta t minus o into xi. So that's why the weight will be updated as wi, it is equals to wi plus eta into t minus o into xi. So this after plus what we have, that is a value of a delta value, delta wi value. Observe here there is no summation, because in a stochastic approximation we are going to consider randomly some data example or some training example we are choosing. That too only one training example we are choosing, and we are approximating the error. So now what is the error formula we have? So since we have approximated the error only for one particular training example, so we have the error formula, that is ed of w vector, it is equals to half td minus od the whole square. Observe here there is no summation. Suppose if I had applied a gradient descent algorithm, then there would have been a summation here, d belonging to capital D. Because in a gradient descent we are going to consider all the training example, whereas in a stochastic gradient descent I am just considering only one training example, that too randomly I am choosing the training example. So what is the difference if I say, when I compare a standard gradient descent and a stochastic approximation gradient descent, is only the main difference is, in gradient descent we are considering all the training example and performing the calculation, whereas in a stochastic gradient descent we are considering only one particular training example, that too randomly I am choosing the training example. So observe in the slide, The stochastic gradient descent iterates over the training example D, that is one particular training example small letter d, in a complete data set that is capital letter D. At each iteration altering the weights according to the gradient with respect to an ED of W vector. We know that ED, it is one particular training example we are considering. The error formula, it is above here. This is an error formula. Here there is no summation. Since there is no summation, it indicates that it is a stochastic gradient descent. Now this is a algorithm of an stochastic approximation to a gradient descent, and you have to write like this only. So the important question in a gradient descent is gradient descent algorithm, visualization of a gradient descent with an example problem. Next, stochastic gradient descent algorithm. So if I ask the question stochastic gradient descent algorithm, then you have to write this one.